Okay, so you say about the online stories, bro, but my main cousin, I'm at my 7th of October, Dr. Kwame Adokufo, our British Council Hall, Gold Coast Boy, or lunch a book, the Ngoma Shonkwa Watchro, in Tikokano, na Kuti, Musem, na MP book, Nibi Chakwai, na Koto. 7th of October, China, Dr. Kwame Adokufo, book lunch, Gold Coast Boy. Online stories, near for Adom online, near for other stories, na for ba. Asem Kesee, my review say, nay, and assembly, I hold you na no so. Already a year to me, a show, Musa no Mashe, or Mujumedi, as I'm sure, say, baby, I will be also overhead the air course, you be assembly home and common other and command. I want to bring your question so at me. I can say online stories. No.
Yo, online stories, adomonline.com, na debra one nay, idea, so to me, when it's adomonline.com, my catch of human interest stories, from you, where there are no people, and you say, said, follow, or more dear, won't tell what baby, dear, adomonline.com, Naja, coach when you suspended, and they cried on quay. Was a no. What the actually says, excellence, dear, what do you to tap a bomb pretty? Hey, and they're forever. Was it one if you bomb, Papa? My love for Mahama is forever. If you don't come to for to when you're 5 years with America, and then you know what, Pepe. I dear, you don't call the Ababa to the Oko, a dra. This is Kai, you saw this is Kai, you saw a word, dry, said, I can't baby. I could now wait if you watch it. I lay you, Asumano, so what tried this is Kai. To me, Buako, de Kunu, ya, Wakuna, ya, Neo, he know Wakuna, ya, Adam for the no. And I know what to say.
Hey, William,
was somebody poor.
And
I ate your and my my quablas and it's all what here. One sound what here. When Madame Wafa, so was all would you oh, well, Miss Hamilton, come a boy, but no problem. I met one and some of them were senior. Papa be washing the bansa. The bansa Sakwadana could wear biscuit. Why we are biscuit into what in a sasha de more. Yeah, washing one I'm so no 7 grass. And I could everyone a sword in I could every one. I could everyone a sword in but who check with that a swan. A choir of a swat check with an assault. I could everyone else I cried why I stop a mole. Oh, wow, about one I was saying that's over the IA. And if I want something, I will do online.com. Yet now we have the online stories and the baby.
Well, the online story said, "Yeah, bro, no, you're caught now. Some Kesee anyway in common, officially."
And question say, "In country, say take and take more, take and take more." Grace Inspiration, Joseph Prince Ministries.
Okay.
And the Abba. Take.
So that's
it.
Take more. Assembly in routine across board. Baby, I want to. Why crowd will be the whole and common. So now, and a teacher phones and Yabasubodi, kama. Teacher Jumano, on Tiasia, Senesi call, not a crack. Never share a nurse for unpaid nurses and midwives and soon semi, the Abacatre Abai. 0302. Okay, Yabakako team midwife and nurses unpaid, no? You could see by a bar.
Maybe Dana Foster Isa, or Edmore Punch on the troll, a rocker for story. No, man, birthday, happy birthday to you.
All right, so young Koshambra, a Babinya Konya come.
They are frustrated, and I want the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations to understand their plight. Especially the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations has been so insensitive to their needs, and the minister knows all about the road we have traveled, especially with the case of the psychiatric nurses.
When you say insensitive?
Well, he has been issuing threats that they will get them sacked. I don't know whether he has a capacity to do that. Well, but he can't do that. You know, this is a position he wants to take, arguably, which is on the flip side of things. It does not augur well for industrial peace at all. And he has to rethink the decision. Maybe he's calling for trouble because now the Mother Association is not in agreement with the aggrieved nurses involved on the strike action. But perhaps with the position the Minister of Employment and Labour Relations has taken, this may eventuate.
But looking at this issue,
First of all, the government and the significant stakeholders, ministry, the employer for this matter, must sympathize with the nurses because they have already agreed and accepted the fact that these nurses have a case. So why did you issue threats on them? I think that it has come to a point where they have to understand that from this time going until they receive their unpaid salaries, they have to be given some, they have to show respect to them. They have to accept the fact that government has done wrong. We are not accepting the excuse that bottlenecks in the administrative processes and what they call technical hitches are responsible for this. They are not. The truth has to be told, and if I must use the term in quotes, they have to be pampered. You know something? When we met on Saturday and Sunday, some of these nurses brought out letters that their landlords have issued to them to throw them out of their the rooms that they are hiring. There were also some letters that financial institutions that they had borrowed monies from are threatening to sue them. Is it fair? These what they are asking for is not allowances. What they are asking for is not perhaps a salary increase. What they are asking for is not conditions of service, which you would say require negotiations. There's nothing about negotiation on this matter. You owe them, pay them. And if you can't pay them, see ways of encouragement to them. Do they know the repercussions of bottled up frustrations on the part of these nurses when they go to work in this situation? The consequence of errors that they may commit at the workplace, right, could be very, very catastrophic. So somebody will have to stand up and tell the truth about the matter and be pragmatic about the solutions they provide to the solution.
No, I'm not the only one here.
how many of you are here?
About 7 to 10, and it can maybe be more. I mean, for now, I'm talking for only my department, but I know there are other people within other departments who have the same issue.
Okay.
Yeah, as
So
well.
which one?
I'm at the OPD here.
OPD.
Yeah.
So about 7 nurses at the OPD.
That's what.
So how many months in arrears are we talking about?
For mine, I think it's about 13 months. Yeah, 13. Yes.
So tell us, how is this affecting you? Tell us.
I think this is very obvious because looking at the cost of living as at now, and if you have your money somewhere and you have a family to cater for, then you should understand how it is, because I have kids as well. Besides that, I have a family. Yeah. When it comes to my children, I have to take care of them. For the work aspect, you know, these are issues that, although it is a sort of worry, okay, we brood over it every day, but it shouldn't, we don't allow it to exceed the kind of affection we have to use in working. Yeah, these are monies that the government is supposed to give to us, okay? Though it is coming, but it's yes, in bits. It's not actually what you want. So we want that aspect also to be given out. Yeah, we are working. We cannot go on strike. We still have to work. Yeah, though it's like we are supposed to be on strike, but if I'm on duty today and I don't go to work, and I don't go to work, I don't come to work, it's going to create a vacancy, okay? So in order to fill that vacancy, I have to come, you understand? Because if we are supposed to be 10 people working and only 4 come, then you are going to, you know what it's going to be like, you understand? So that is why we are all, we are working.
So, Yasaba said, Betty Kadia to Rubina Kwanya Chimini Akasa 0302 211 701 up to 4. And the inauguration of all the assemblies. Kabibicha is also a nurse for midwife for unpaid. Also, semi dear Kosoni, dear Dewa Comaso. I say, Yabua Magana, Etimia Konkai, Kama 0302 211 701. Up to 4, na some of you.
Thomas Wabra Dunkwa was say your programming and into home papa, a man said and into programming a man pa baya ewo elemele. One also dear pay what dear babaya wolemle say, let us continue to sacrifice to build this country. Greet Honorable Michael Otu and fa emano and a pay some piali. Member of Parliament and I sit
a hunter. Member of Parliament, MP. Aspirant, parliamentary aspirant. Okay, a hunter. I think a hunter. A hunter, yeah. Okay.
OPK will go. One also say near what they might 40 yards in a park, or follow. I buy one park.
Sana OPK is okay.
I will pick us.
Okay. So 0302 211 701 up to 4 for also adventure. A teach you can keep it cocoon and set up your force at Nasia. No, boy, baby, I should be a do say Anna Makai, for Kwabnam Takando, and a Samsia, and a doctor, Dr. Kwaku. I'll call my Dr. Kwaku, every MPP man, a Bakoko, Kuntabuni, and they will teach you how I see aircom. Mammy Coson Cassin, I'm Yadma, a China Dr. Kwame. Adoko for book lunch. Ashavin Wama.
Answer no Eugene Amankwa, and they will happy birthday to you, Eugene Amankwa. Ashavin Aquaba.
Aquaba and Anaya.
Oh, Mama Quaba.
Nanaya, how many days? Now, you know, except the mouth before my child.
Man, no, I guess the son I'll take him to you.
Mother, I'm showing you mind.
What you saw.
Bokashia on original minister, on a very popular deputy, also to find our back. I'm in fact, so I'm saying, change your back to your barrel. I just Monkaita Babawi, Nampano. As another so called my
the post I left a pass and out of the end.
As another, what is that story? Or really plan is an ameba.
No, I may buy him.
And this is all we need to plan.
You.
Secret Lamecano. Don't talk for the Martin, what she had on his so near. He said, Mako Day, Victoria Maso and Kentucky. India, who calls them no money in the Cobras and Makabi. I made the maker none of him, Papa, was about your name, and I say, O Mania, anything. Kuku ya chitu what amana bulu bona koso ti omunti yesu magon fa kuku di ba bi no omanya de o ya pa kuku kwa ya mo ba be ya ya dia ba ya dia mitre o te ku ya mo ba ya ya ba se doctor necessary say omunya butre mo mo o ga crisis ni no me ku man de dum so ni ne tafu am de mo ka se mo ka fienti en fama mu dai e ma no ma se de nipa shro mo kwa e ba se be ya tumun din mai no no mu se
na o ya juma
bia be kan hello.
Who are you, my dear?
Oh, me, I find the plan.
Yeah, it's your car.
Oh, one of the one to be governed. I know, yeah, you might need to car. Say, 1 minute, my. I'll come in the house 1 minute, my mine. I didn't know.
Sammy, Nana, Sammy,
hello.
Sammy, Aquaba.
So, yeah, Juma.
Now,
I best I have.
I mean, you have no Canada, in fact, anything has and you walk on our topic now. So, they say, very good. Juma for the past.
Oh, yes, one. Down where I say painful be our no walk go by the Nisikachi or buy a car bonnet. Yes, oh,
oh,
come on, yeah, what it?
It's a 2040 and fire from Pine and Same.
You know, correct. Oh, my.
Yes,
I saw the crowd quiet down for everything. So,
you know, Kasai, no, maybe Tina can we are so calm to speak to the government. Yes, said you the first day, and I said, but I won't say Asem Nase. If you hold you money, can I pay for power doctor so can I join you no more interview? Sometimes it happens like that on the field of work, you become confused. Well, it's you need to hold you money.
I'm confused when I am kind of cram on what
and okay. I didn't publish today. A bit me, I bet me I'm born, my name is one to a by now.
Almost an hour to me. You have a person out to me. It's me about so happy birthday in advance and come out graceful. So, Eben, let's say, from my working pile of thing.
Nana Branty matching.
Yeah, more mine.
Bokodia.
Oh, maybe I don't book on. I said, I say, I know. Church to me, loose until I am an Oh, I might say the Bruce company yet, Papa.
You do,
Mario, lady, a bad no, what it? Yes, who are prepared be the farmer until Woody about it. Oh,
unfortunately.
Oh, Kafra. Also, please, tomorrow is my dad's birthday. Mr. Gideon Owusu Asante. Ochina Ewa Wodawo at your hospital, said dear complex Pancrono, Kumasi. If we done it, Sefioso, and what about
Chief Zantes of Flagstaff House, Anna Yachana Pesasuna, Thomas Sedu, Engineers and Planners, Takwa, Hona also. This is more time, quite Debbie, maybe Abigail. Oh, Yahoman.
Diana, most of my Moja was sweet. Mungo so fresh.
DC Quachi on your now free callers here for honorable friends more DC Quachi is only. I think no, but they be almost famous. Say, almost cancer. When are we going? Unimana. Ernest, yeah. Oh, for my radio.
TV volume no was rest.
Go say you what I'll do.
Yo.
Okay, it's you.
Oh my.
Yes, sir.
Well, me think any so me fresh of wase.
It's you.
I am the person who can't cook no say cook no yene friends and could work for them different second to you. Yeah, Ghana then 40 yeah 42 or me 30 to 239 no. Difference news Ghana banning free yes I've gone up for the cooking in our for because Ghana yeah then papa ethnic can be as the Japan free you said yeah difference 42 39 the difference make it 2
na ga pese the cost opesa ban the cost and catch you
42
abanu this is enko ben fa eko 50 kwa
there be abanu the original 42
there be o see aban the original 42
hana ko divoire the 39
na na no this one go
42
o see swap
different na na obi we asa waka yeah
okay yeah say
aban the 39 and ko divoire the 42 there case
okay
but there 42 there no be no small go 39 or the why there
okay
no there so that you papa
yeah bema e wa
o say na all this assembly follow yentu a ka agogo and what you say na say ye ba be inaugurate new assemblies now omo order that from more grace ama omo we there inaugurate
not to say there be not to say me ni nya adwen nemo esi o parliament esi o executive esi o ministers libya but any kwasi encourage because me we adwuma dia o the family dia man na me
so tua me kala ya deda na
ya ba very ma wo
ya ba ma kwa ba
me to so mi na ba
yo yan kwa ya ya me sra pa
chiama ne kwa na sa tu woni so me pe no ma na woni chiami
o ma na woni chia bo wa chiami me ya me na chiami me we asa
na ya wa one car taxi ana na what ma free say o the radio so na free Hey, taxi driver. I know whether they want to break a say. I see.
Anyway, over Bruno Patemua, said Omosia J. A. Show ya tomorrow. Bruno again in Chateau. Now, maybe I shall into the view of the Amazon and Sherman. Omani and run there as a papa. Now, the friend will. No, my music will go. Why was their price?
Say Coco, and the
Hey, and the idea taxi is what I would do you.
Sir, Asem pardon.
No, my never get taxi aquarium.
Now, who went to be an abattoir or would them say,
we have money, but tomatoes and amateur. Now, I buy now tomatoes here and talk. And dinner, you call it, and maybe I didn't pick up was right. Maybe you have to go in now. There's a young crash on that Chelsea. I'm in the middle of the grab a slap by you. Cocoa, I didn't put on my fruit. Is oily, you 2 years, you know me, and you maybe a dance here. You're giving country again, and anybody else can say, and you're flat. I don't mind what it sounds commercial.
Because say, we know, open mind. Fan go home say music send maybe I could do it.
On fancy I will send a bega. When enough fear when no money kaka no one yen so benya akudu na shoe no so get there washing visa no nekuta o mine na akoma o mine
no say happy birthday in Koma Neba or the Emanuela happy birthday free happy belated birthday in Koma Ruth for Suya Juma ya wa Mansia West Rural Bank if you George Beju what no day but good morning. Or say, how does Muhammad take Ghanaians for fools? To refuse to pay our nurses for 3 years is simply unacceptable. We free a year, millions. Yeah, what I have for shitting.
Nana Mache, and I probably say,
I'm a minimum pipe going to me. What do you say to Boba one time people?
Hey, now one was the Bobada.
Nana,
Siboba no can people and what they
found. No, one of people when I can people who cry. I won't now cry.
You said that the man.
Oh, yes,
I'm a pay. You're my Spanish farm over the Buagana man. Assemblyman, I have a poem soon to Mano. Me bomb pass or me and what you got a cost for Buagana mine. That assemblyman, when you municipal, when you essay to Abu, one of essay to Abu. School, I like Mama, or me and what you over me from Ghana mine. Me I said to boss Andrews or when 2 minutes past the rest department, the boss no. One day when cheap, or me have a bomb with my apple so. Because some of my phone, a pump pass, or money over me because a balazana at the bomb Ghana mine apple so. Into some of my phone, I have a pump to my room, or moon cumbo and more crew and cost. Ghana koso, Ghana man koso my
Rescobi ewa wa say aban hwem na wontua nurse for no ka na wonya de otre o say Nana please ask WAEC when they are going to release the SHS replacement no ya Asem bisa Nana ya or say you are reading only birthday wishes. What about our questions? I mean the 30% of appointed members. Why don't we read messages? Minimum 30% appointed members per worker. In fact, I'll say your program is very educative. One for the please, I want to wish my sister happy birthday, Eric. Wuaja and what the free buy or sister no show one money. Or say thank you for reading my message, Martin. That's it.
Well, what for Nochi or Kumasi only in Kesee?
What for Papa?
Yeah, me do so.
Then bomb to say.
Ya minimum di mi.
Oh, I'm moving.
Na catch na when you be na unyamini udini ya. Say they was o fan say na ga fan say.
Ah, na ono oko na kontu oko gaba dey no de bre.
Asem dia. Etia hu tia kutia no.
Na mini we ni ya ka dey. Shembi ukwi.
Uto mo de do na be ti gba bre na ngenge.
What say?
Say they look my esia for no. Uto mo de do bre.
Oh, I need no problem. What na tunu kra na ma homte. Ndi no problem. Me ba me to box pa na me dia ma no. Na tu ya bo no no to ha no.
Uto ba ko obetutu ni enka. Na se ne be fa. Ati. Wanya die.
Na me ti be ka cha no.
Mama chia kwa mafo.
Ya tia look my so ba me.
Mati look my jo so pa. Ya mano.
Ma fe no pa.
Ya mano.
Ze o ti fi.
Kwa mafo so echia mo pa.
Ya je o mo so.
Na ya.
Ye.
En kan ko enchira ba no. Che enye mu sisi asitira yi wo no. Ansa na wo bakura be wirua nation mu no. E ka bobo ansa na nipa ko na akura na timamura mu. Enya asem kitwa. Enya na mo e won chen a eno enka ho kura no. Enka kula no school fees, enka me bibia ho no. Enya asem kitwa. Na awofo timetieti an kakra ma akura na wi school. Wi school ya asese akura na nkasa kura be nyesika. E dia to aduane adi edi bia to no abọ no ho brana na awofo na esa hwe no ade ntine je sa ba twa sa enkrofo sa ni pa wi no
Asem na ho
sabri sa how ni na sa kwada awofo na so obi a ku school wi a how na sa kwada awofo na so je be sra ban no o hwe no ntwe won ka na awofo no bo mo ka ansa na enkora na tima wi school na na ko fi senya enne enye tu preside members aba no ye ban twmo na ko fi senya. Oh, I come to group.
Yeah, so that today is my best friend's birthday, or the Amasewa Anthony, when she district CID Lucy, and what they buy Lucy, Edia, or they ma Nadafo, and no, also check this day.
Bernard Moniana.
There be a seat Mabel, right? Bernard, big Bernard Moninia, who didn't hear. We air condition specialist. Our number is 027 9010.
2 quantity.
And 027 9010.
Jojo,
oh, just
yene mo na aye program yi aba be si ne ezu trota na mo yi atotwene mo ye akonya mi nwura ndi esere mo ye apato no time ne pempe so ba
santi mo ko sisi ni wa ho
we say ka ndi ne so mo bi la ya mo ya ti de bia mu mie mayen pa na doctor o say so kan doctor na ke so ata say mu mie mayen
doctor na me tia doctor dodu so ya wo sample
kakra me kan say omo hwe nurses omo ye adwuma ma Ghana mine esre Ghana ban say nurses no de omo kan na ho akapa o ukọ hospital pa na nurse ni doctor ni pa nurse ho pop so de na say wo yare na akuru ahụ ahụ ya na nyankopon ya atumtafo eso so na dia na nka doctor wo na ko ma unu bia mo akonoma nka sa na ma no ensi de the Asem no pa omo ko transient tem na entiasia adwuma no bibia so entimi fa no ho eni enkofem ze ye betra ho ama uyo de kete atopa na man no e dey why
I say good morning. Good morning. I say more workers received only 1 month's salary after working for 2 years. And it's not more for so adwuma no say tua wonka omo so adwuma no enfie mienu afi na etua omo ka bosome eno nti ya hom te sem papa omo hwe kwan say no so betimi atoto yi
elebesi but unfortunately omo ye adwuma na entua omo ka de
so we nurse for na not more for so abeka ho de so mtumi
not more so Africa nyende
2 years obi be adwuma na so wo yire kura ho de ne yire betimi dia yele wo fie anya de papa san sensem na say tumi hwe ne ka na sie adwuma de wo ye so odi na katua ma no allowance bi increment bi enu yankomo foforo
na say asama nurse from the nyam post to omo
dabi no mo de no kura de ne so omo twere baabi na nurse mu psychiatric nurse papa kura ye fi wo na wa o de o tie fitiri
okay elbesia na wala sai crowd o de go Kesee bro ye kwaba ye ba enkomo